Hey everyone, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving straight into some absolutely massive insights from Wyatt Chambers, a guy with 18 years of marketing experience under his belt. We are going to unpack exactly why a platform called Cinch is so rapidly becoming the absolute go-to infrastructure for pest control businesses that are looking to scale, drive up revenue, and frankly, just leave their competition in the dust. So if you want to know how the smartest operators are building their systems right now, you are definitely in the right place.
All right, let's set the stage here. The pest control industry, it's fundamentally shifting, literally right beneath our feet. For the longest time, the old playbook was super simple. The guys with the most trucks or the cheapest prices took home the trophy. But today, that whole paradigm has flipped. The businesses seeing insane growth are winning because they have the best data, fully automated systems, and they're squeezing the highest possible lifetime value out of every single customer. It's a completely new game.
To make sense of all this, we've broken Wyatt's insights down into 5 core pillars. The AI era shift, what exactly a CDXP is, building your data foundation, plugging those revenue leaks, and finally, winning the AI era. Let's get right into it.
Kicking things off with Part 1, the AI era shift and how customer expectations have totally changed. Look, the really crucial takeaway here isn't just about cool new tech. It's that AI has completely rewired what your customers actually demand from you. Think about it. We've all been conditioned by the Amazons and Ubers of the world, right? Homeowners now expect hyper-personalized communication and basically instant responses. And if you can't deliver that seamless, frictionless experience, well, your competitors absolutely will. Which brings us nicely to Part 2. What on earth is a CDXP, and why does it go way beyond your traditional CRM?
So we're talking about Cinch here, which is a CDXP, a customer data experience platform. If your standard CRM is basically just a digital filing cabinet, a CDXP is more like the roaring engine of a sports car. It doesn't just store things, it actively centralizes all your scattered data, scrubs it clean, and then uses AI to automate highly personalized marketing. And the best part? It integrates seamlessly right into the field service software you're already using, like Pest Pack or Field Routes.
Moving right along to Part 3, the data foundation, or as I like to call it, centralizing the mess.
I mean, this is a pain point almost every single operator knows all too well. You are sitting on an absolute goldmine of customer data, but it's a total disaster. Trapped inside field routing software, siloed in random emails, or buried in endless, messy spreadsheets. The Cinch way fixes all of that by pulling every single piece of data into one beautifully clean database. It catches misspellings, merges duplicates, and gives you one single source of truth.
And here's the massive payoff. Once that data is squeaky clean, you unlock true omnichannel marketing directly from one unified interface. We are way past the days of just batch and blast emails hoping something sticks. We're talking coordinated, highly targeted campaigns across SMS texts, direct mail, social media ads, even streaming TV and radio. Trying to manage all that separately is a complete nightmare, but running it from one platform, that's the new baseline for growth in this era.
Let's dive into Part 4, plugging revenue leaks and putting your growth on autopilot.
This is where things get really fun. It is fascinating how a system like Cinch takes what are essentially missed opportunities and flips them into automatic, recurring revenue. Like, how often do you systematically cross-sell mosquito or termite plans to your existing general pest customers? Probably not enough, right? Cinch automates that. It chases down scratched appointments for you, and it even flags new homeowners moving into your service area so you can target them before your competitors even realize the house was sold. Now here's a number from the source material that you really need to memorize. 90. Customer churn is a total silent killer for service businesses, and you typically have exactly a 90-day window to win back a customer after they cancel. Instead of relying on manual office follow-ups that, let's be real, almost never actually happen, Cinch just handles it. It fires off perfectly timed multi-channel re-engagement offers right during that critical 90-day window.
Just picture a homeowner frantically searching for a bug guy online. If they see you sitting there with 500 fresh, 5-star reviews, and the next guy has, 50, it's game over. You win that click every single time. By automating your review requests so they hit the customer at the absolute peak moment of satisfaction, literally right after the tech finishes the service, you effortlessly build this avalanche of social proof that manual methods just can't compete with.
Finally, Part 5, winning the AI era by moving from basic automation to pure prediction.
This right here is where the data science magic happens and what really leaves a basic CRM in the dust. The AI layer actually analyzes historical spending habits and pricing sensitivity to predict what a customer is going to do before they even do it. It can flag an account that's at a high risk of canceling or predict the exact perfect moment they're most likely to buy an upsell. Then it proactively intervenes with a highly targeted offer before the customer even makes a final decision. It's like having a crystal ball for your revenue.
And hey, if you're sitting there wondering, okay, but does this actually scale up if I have multiple branches? The answer is a massive yes. Just look at Moxie Pest Control. They're one of the biggest operators in the entire country. Their marketing director pointed out that this unified AI approach works flawlessly across multiple locations, even ones under totally different ownership groups. It lets you run these powerful, high-level marketing campaigns while still keeping the messaging hyper-local for each specific market. No more data silos.
So as we wrap up this explainer on Wyatt Chambers' analysis, I really want you to ask yourself this. Take a hard, honest look at your current operations. Is your marketing infrastructure truly built for the hyper-personalized, instant gratification reality of the AI era? Or are you still playing by the old rules, just trying to buy more trucks and hoping for the best? Look, the tools to completely automate your growth are out there right now. The only question is, are you going to be the one to use them? Or are you going to let your competitors get there first?